travel,
and the bridges we cross,
and the cities we inhabit.
prepare to embark on our journey as we travel in the cornerstone of modern society, where growth is facilitated by innovation and the fusion of the infrastructure and imagination.
Welcome to the rhythm of civil engineering, the designers of the future, sculpting today's city and laying down the groundwork for a better one.
Join us on a journey where every blueprint holds the promise of possibilities and every structure tells a story of ingenuity and resilience, and together let's construct greatness one brick at a time.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Janice J. Isip po, studying at DABSU po, Lubao Campus. Currently a first year Bachelor in Civil Engineering po. And I am here with, ano po name?
I am Franklin Ferriol, site manager on this Paso de Seco project.
Age po?
31 years old.
Pwede po like matanong po kahit konting questions lang po about po sa mga projects po.
Sige, no problem.
Pwede po matanong kung ano po yung ginagawa niyo po.
Actually, the main scope na ginagawa namin dito is yung structural, civil and structural. So, simulan sa pinaka-foundation hanggang sa matapos yung structural kami ang gumawa. And then, itong project na to is Paso Deco project. Isa siyang office building na may museum.
Museum. So, kailan po yung like matatapos po, duration po ng project po?
Well, eto kasi, kung buong project yung tatanong nyo, siyempre marami pa kasing ibang scope dyan, like sa finishing, tsaka mechanical, ibang mga electrical. Yung sa amin kasi, more on civil structural lang kami. So, yung sa amin, projected matapos kami until June. Ganon. Pero yung ibang scope, hindi ko sure kung hanggang kailan sila matatapos.
Ano po yung mga challenges po na encounter nyo po while making this project?
Well, basically, when erecting the structure, siyempre yan yung mga unang-una, weather. Okay? So, meron tayong malaking effect yung weather, lalong-lalo na kung may mga typhoon na nakakapag-apekto sa pagtatrabaho, yung schedule. Then second, siyempre yung mga malfunctional ng mga equipment, like tower crane, for example, nasira yung tower crane, apektado yung lifting activities. Then, kung may mga regarding sa inspection, pagka hindi pumasa sa inspector o mali yung pagkagawa, uulitin ulit. So, doon yung mga challenges na na-encounter namin.
Ano pong nag-motivate sa inyo na maging CE po?
Ayun, of course, nung una pa lang, gusto ko talaga is yung nagbibuild. So, nagbibuild ng structure. Actually, ang advice sa akin is accountancy, pero mas pinili ko yung civil engineering kasi iba pagka nakapagpatayo ka ng structure. Andun yung contentment sa sarili mo na ikaw yung gumawa ng ganyang structure, na itayo mo yan, di ba?
Nakaka-proud po.
Proud, okay.
Ano po yung, kami po kasi like, nagtitake po rin na civil engineer. Ano po mga advice po na mabibigay niyo po sa amin? Kasi nahihirapan po kami.
Well, kung civil engineering naman yung passion nyo, makakaya nyo naman yan. Mahirap talaga. Kasi from the word engineering, talagang kailangan yung tiyaga mo sa pagtuklas ng mga bagay-bagay. Siyempre, yung panahon natin, modern technology na tayo. Marami tayong kailangang i-adapt, like technology. Diba? Maraming mga kagamitan na mas naging modernized. Okay? Tapos sa pagiging civil, actually, yung iba nadi-discourage kasi pagdating sa math, sabi nila mayroon ng math. Pero kung ikaw, masipag kang mag-aral at gusto mong matututunan mo yun. Tsaga lang talaga. Kasi ako, working student ako eh. Nag-aaral ako sa umaga, trabaho ako sa gabi. Pero natapos ko naman siya in 5 years. Wala namang extension. Okay. Working student ako. Malayo pa sa pamilya. Pero pag sinagaan mo talaga, Hindi naman ako ganun ka math wizard eh. Di ba? Pero natapos ko siya. So yun lang, encouragement ko lang sa mga nag-take up ng civil engineering like you. Iano nyo lang, tuloy nyo lang. Kahit medyo mahirap, kaya nyo yan. Ano lang, bigay nyo lang yung best. Hindi naman sinabing itong ginawa nyo, yung best na yun is mali. Kung binigay mo yung best mo doon, worth it talaga yun. Okay.
Thank you po. Opo. Thank you po.
Laborers are essentials to a construction site as they form the backbone of the workforce. Their importance lies in executing various manual tasks, ensuring the smooth flow of work, supporting skilled trades, maintaining safety standards, and contributing to the overall efficiency and timely completion of a construction projects. Their efforts are fundamental to the successful functioning of a construction site.
As we conclude this journey through the marvels of civil engineering, let us not merely reflect on the structures that define our landscape, but on the spirit of ingenuity that propels us forward.
For in the realm of civil engineering, the possibilities are as endless as our imagination, and the impact truly boundless.
Our journey from blueprints to progress. We are BSC 1A, reminding you, one brick at a time.